Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the LeetCode 75 study plan series. Today is day 26 of our this series. And today we are solving a very interesting stack problem, that is the LeetCode 394 decode string. This problem is great for learning how to use stack with the string and nested brackets. So let's understand the problem statement first. Given a encoded string, return its decoded string. The encoding rule is like k of encoding string, where the encoding string inside the square bracket is being repeated exactly k times. Note that k is granted to be a positive integer, and you may assume that the input string is always valid. There are no extra white spaces, square bracket are well formed, etc. So furthermore, you may assume that the original data does not contains any digit, and that digit are only for those repeat numbers k. For example, there will be not be like 3 or 2, 4. So let me simplify this. You are given an encoded string. Our job is to decode it and return the final string. The encoding rule is like a number k followed by square bracket, means like here 3 square bracket a, 2 square bracket b, c. So repeat the string inside the bracket k times. Like here 3 is a is 3 times, b, c and is the 2 times, and in this if you see 3 is a means this ac 2 times. So here sometimes bracket can be nested, like in the example number 2 here 3a 2c. So that means first decode the 2c inside bracket, that becomes it 2c, and then string becomes the a double c. So a double acc, now repeat this whole acc to 3 times, like acc acc acc. Now that is what we need to return. Let's take this one example as like this example number 2. So in this how should we think about this problem? Whenever we see this like a number and a square bracket and the letters, we cannot solve immediately if nested brackets are inside. Like in the example number 1, we can see the direct like 3, then bracket, and inside this letter is a. I just write the 3a. Then same 2, a number come, then inside the square bracket bc come. So I just write it 2 bc bc. So that's simple. But inside the square bracket, I cannot do this immediately if nested brackets are inside the square bracket. So we need to, if we need a way to pause and remember the old data. So that is why we use a stack in this problem statement. A stack help us to save the previous number, the from the top, and a previous string also. So and when we hit the closing bracket, this last one, the like here this nested closing bracket or the upper closing bracket. So that is why back stack is perfect here. Now let's write the code and let's try to see how to write this. So this is our function decode string, and inside this input s, string s is given. So let num stack is an empty string. Then let string stack is a empty array here. Now I have this two stack. First store the numbers, then second stack store the previous string. So I need the two stack here, and let current num is equal to 0. Let me now in the camel case, current num is equal to 0. Let current string is also empty string, and here current number we are building, and current decoded string we are building. So let's start a for of loop for let character of this string, the input string, and means we loop through every character of this string one by one. First we have to check whether this character is a this number or a letter or the square bracket. We have to identify that. For that I'm using is not a number and give here the ch and write here current num equal to current num multiply 10 plus number of character. Now why I write here this multiply 10 plus number ch, because if we see the constant, there is already mentioned that all the integer in the s are in the range of 1 to 300. So if a character is a number, so to handle the multiplied digits means like 23, I have to means there is right 23 and square bracket. So first read 2, then read 3. So we want 23, not just the 3. So for that I write here this formula, that is the current number multiply 10 plus number of this new digit. So for this I write this if else this check. Now let's check the opening bracket. Else if character is the opening bracket. And inside this when bracket start, save the current values. So num stack dot push current num and then str stack dot push current string. So here I get the current num value here. If means any value comes like there is also means there is 100% guaranteed that every string start with the first is the number. So first I get the number here. I just store into this variable, and after that I push them here into the current number, into the num stack. I mean store the current number, store the current string, and now reset this here. Current number is equal to 0 and current string is an empty now. So means we reset the both the things here and we start afresh inside the bracket. Now the number handle, opening bracket handle. Now let's handle the closing bracket. Else if character is a closing bracket. Let me first make it yes. Now let's handle the closing bracket. I mean it's time to decode the because I push the numbers from the when I see the opening bracket and the number. Now it's time to decode. Let repeat, sorry, spelling mistake, equal to num stack dot pop. Means I get the repeat count here from the current num stack. Means like here 3 I push and then this 2 I push into this num stack. As the closing opening bracket come first, then I push the 3, again the opening bracket come, then I push the 2. So here I just take out the top value of this num stack, means 2 come from this. Now let previous string is the str stack dot pop. Here means get the old string here and from the str stack, and now add this into current str is equal to previous str plus current str dot repeat this time. Means this is a JavaScript string method in this string. this repeat and it's repeat till these numbers. Means this is the main line here, means repeat the current string, then attach the previous string. Like I have this a, means current is the c. See, like 3 is push inside this, then a comes and I push this a from it, and again now 2 comes, so 2 is pushed into this num stack, and then current stack the means reset this, and now this closing bracket come from this value, this the highlighted come. Now I just take out the number from this num stack and take out the previous string from this, that is the c, and so a plus cc, result is the acc here. And else if everything is in normal, then write the last condition, means a normal value come, then str string plus ch. If a normal character comes, then just add it, and in last return the current string, return current string, and current string is our decoded answer. Let's try to run the solution. Yes, it passed all the the 3 test cases. Let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it passed all the test cases and 100% beats. Now, first we scan the string from the left to right. We check if a digit, then build it number, means like if there is a 23 or 100 or 300 value comes times come, so we have to build that number here. And if any opening bracket come, then save number and string in this tag. If a normal letter come, then just add to the current string. So here I just add the current string. If closing bracket come, then just take out the old values from the num stack, the top value, and also take out the string str stack dot pop, means old value from this, and decode it by just using this formula, this line number 22. Means stack help us to handle nested bracket easily. Here time complexity is the big of n because every character is processed one, and space complexity also big of n because stacks may store all the character in the worst case. And that is for day 26 of our LeetCode 75 study plan. Today we learn how to solve decode string using the stack. And if this explanation helped you, please like the video, comment your doubt, and subscribe to JDCodebase for full LeetCode 75 journey. See you in the next video.